Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ilyas Mauludin, class A20F Accounting Study Program. I will present a scientific paper with the title Analysis of Application of Listing Method and Assessment of Marketability Inventory according to PSAK No. 14 in VT Mayora, Indah Tbk. In order to fulfill the task of business English course. Methods. 1. Research methodology. Analysis methods according to Sugiono. Research is a scientific way to obtain data with certain goals and uses. Thus, in accordance with the purpose and usefulness of this study using a qualitative descriptive method. Qualitative descriptive method according to Mukhtar. Descriptive qualitative research method is method used by researchers with the aim of finding a theory of the research being conducted. Qualitative descriptive method is taken because this research analysis by collection data and the research descriptive whether VT Mayora Indah Tbk has complied with PSAK No. 14. Two data source. The data used in this research method is secondary data Sugiono. Secondary data is a source that does not directly provide data to data collector but through intermediaries. For example, through someone or through document. The data used in this study are inventories and financial reports from VT Mayora Indah Tbk in 2019 which were taken from the IDX.com website because the data is the most relevant data. Results and discussion. 1. Research. Company activities related to merchandise inventory in accordance with Article 3 of the Company Articles of Association. The scope of the company's article is the carry out business in the field of industry, trade, and again representatives currently the company operates in the processed food industry, including biscuit, confectioneries, wafers, chocolates, and jelly. The company's products have entered the markets and have earned a good place among snacks consumers. To reach all levels of consumers, various products have been created with the different names, qualities, and ranges. The company has an internal control system that is offline that includes the organizational structure and all coordinated method and tools used within the company. The purpose of an effective and efficient internal control system is to suppress the excessive amount of inventory which will later harm the company because a lot of capital is embedded or piled off. Conversions in the inventory is too small. It will harm the company because the smart of rational of production of marketing distributional will the disrupted. The company has no difficulty in purchasing raw materials because more than 90% of the raw materials used are domestical products material. The raw material that is still imported by the company is which is used in products such as kemubang, sugar, and jelly. Merchandise inventory valuation method. 1. Assessment method. Inventory HVT Mayora is started based on cost on net reliable value, whichever is lower. The lower of cost and net reliable value. Inventory costs are determined using the weighted average method. The purpose of applying this valuation method to the company is because the movement of merchandise inventory is enough so that there is no hoarding in the finished good inventory warehouse. The weighted average method is used by calculating the cost of each unit based on the weighted average cost of similar units at the beginning of the period and the cost of similar units purchased or production during the period. Through cost instrument technique, PT Mayora Indah Tbk in its cost measurement technique uses cost measurement technique with standard cost technique, where the standard cost takes into account the normal level of use of material and equipment, labor efficiency, and capital utilization. 3. Cost disclosure. Disclosure of the company activities regarding merchandise inventory is disclosed through the company's financial statement, balance sheet, and the company income statement label. Conclusion. Based on the result of research with the title Analysis of the Application of Recording and Valuation Method of Merchandise Inventory according to PSAK No. 14 PT Mayora Indah Tbk, it can be concluded that the internal control at PT Mayora Indah Tbk has been running well and the implementation of this inventory recording is in accordance with PSAK No. 14 using the perpetual system and the weighted average method. Inventory calculation both physical and financial data are in accordance with PSAK No. 14 merchandise inventory.